much excitement. I can't. Alright, y'all ain't ready. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tania, and in this video y'all, I will be sharing my brand new phone, and I did get the Samsung Galaxy S21. I did get it on Samsung's website because I just kind of felt like I just wanted to buy the phone straight up. I didn't want to go to my carrier, T-Mobile. I didn't want to get like a plan or anything. I just wanted to pay up front. Came down to about $600 total with tax and everything. And I did get a $25 credit, which I did use for a charger, which it does not come with, but I'll get into that right now. And also, a lot of the phones were out of stock besides the black, like at Best Buy, T-Mobile, just nothing was available besides Samsung. So I decided it was the best option, as well as doing a trade-in, and they gave me the most bang for my buck because I did have the S8, so it wasn't the newest version. So they did give me about like $250 for a trade-in, so I just thought it was a good deal versus paying $800, which I thought I was gonna have to pay. Anyways, yes, I'm about to show you guys my Samsung Galaxy S21. Drumroll please. I did get the pink one. So I got the pink one and it looks like this. Let's take a look. So it does have like a rose gold vibe going on over here, the pink right here, and then it just has the rose gold going all around the phone sides. Absolutely love it. I'm in love. This little box that it came with, it came really fast. I did $14 for express shipping because I wanted it really fast, ASAP. I can't wait. Samsung literally delivered it the next day. So here is what it came with. So I just got this like box right here. It does have like a pink rose gold right here, and then I just opened it up, and I did unbox it and record for you guys so you guys could see. And then it also came with the free $25 credit, like I said. So I did get the super fast wall charger because I noticed that it only came with a cable, which is black, and I did get a white charger. I know, I'm embarrassed, but like it's okay, it's fine. Like I had no idea it was going to be a black one. I thought for some reason it was going to be a white cable charger. Or your phone does come with a C cable on both sides. I was tripping out. I already knew because of someone that I know has this phone, and I saw that they didn't come with like a charger, so I was like, what is this C cable nonsense? But then I was like, this makes sense. So I did order this off of their website. So this is 25 watt charging, and it charges super fast. Okay, I did buy a phone case ASAP off of Amazon because I knew Amazon would give me Prime Day shipping, and I did. It arrived the next day, you guys. Like, we arrived together. So I did get this one, and this is out of my comfort zone, out of like whatever I usually do. I just wanted a basic color, solid color, but I wanted like a really cute color, so I thought the lavender was just the most appropriate. I was looking into getting like clear cases so that I have my pink phone peeking through, kind of just like a look, because I did get a pink phone. So pretty much I did get this phone case right here, and look guys, this is the softest case I've ever felt. It looks like this from the inside. It's super soft, so my phone, she's gonna be nice and comfy in here. And then I also got a pop socket, you guys. I forgot to mention that. So I did go to Target and get this pop socket, and I feel like this one was so cute. I was kind of leaning towards this glittery one, but then I saw this one and I was like, y'all, this matches perfectly. And then it's glittered and like this pink and lavender vibe, so I did want to include like a pink because pink's my favorite color. So I just felt like this one was so cute. Yeah, so she fits right in here. Let's put her in here. It's case, so it just has like the lavender going all around, super soft. And then the back, look guys, So cute. So it just has like the rose gold peeking out, and then it has like this nice protective border. Really love this, and this is why I did my nails like this. I did my own nails, and I was like, I'm gonna go with like a aesthetic, a vibe that kind of fits this. So this is why I chose that. But yeah, this is how my phone looks like. It is a lot bigger. I do have my other phone. I haven't returned it yet. So this is my old phone, and then this is my new phone. Like, this is the 8, and this is, actually, it's not that much of a difference. Very minimal. So I really love my phone now, guys. I'm so happy, and also the camera quality. Honestly, I was like, I've been recording with a potato. Like, I've had a potato phone. What? I love the new look that it has. I have added features, so my old phone didn't have a lot of the things that this phone now has, and it is a little bit different, so I decided to play around with it and give it a new look. So I will be doing that in my next video, guys. Stay tuned, because you guys will see how it looks. And yes, it matches this lavender vibes, pink glitter girly vibes, so wait on it. But yeah, anyways, I'll be sharing with you guys everything, the new phone theme, all of it, because I know you guys are looking forward to that. So stay tuned for my next video. It will probably be like what's in my phone video, if not a phone theme / what's in my phone. So it's gonna be like a whole vibe. It's gonna be a whole mood. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are excited to see more videos. I hope you guys liked this. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So I did want to share with you guys really quick. My lashes are self-love lashes. Hello aesthetic mood. If you guys want to check it out, check it out. It's in the link down in the description bar. If you guys want to know.